Hi guys, I'm Dr. Andrew Iraniha and I'd like to share with you what diastasis recti is and how it is diagnosed. There are two large parallel muscles in the center of the abdomen called rectus muscle or six-pack muscles, which are covered with a thick sheet of fascia and connected to each other in the center of the abdomen. Diastasis recti is a condition where this connection gets loose and two muscles separate from each other. This condition is common in female after pregnancy, but it can also happen in men and non-pregnant women. Diagnosis of diastasis recti typically involves a combination of physical examination and in some cases imaging studies. First, let's talk about how you can perform self-examination to diagnose this condition. Initially, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place one hand behind your head and the other hand on your abdomen with your fingertip feeling the center of your abdomen pointing towards your pelvis. Lift your head and shoulder slightly off the floor as if you are doing a crunch and feel along the midline of your abdomen from the ribcage all the way down below the belly button. If you can feel a gap or a bulge, it may indicate diastasis recti. Physician will typically perform a similar maneuver to diagnose the diastasis recti. They will have you lie down on your back and perform a slight crunch while they are palpating the midline of your abdomen to feel for separation between the rectus abdominis muscles. They will also measure the width and length of the gap. A separation of more than 2.7 centimeter, which is around 1 inch, is often considered diastasis recti. In some cases, imaging study may be used to confirm the diagnosis or assess the severity of diastasis recti. The ultrasound is the most common imaging method used. It provides a clear image of the muscle separation and can help measure the gap accurately in a dynamic condition while the patient is doing a crunch. CT scan or MRI also can provide detailed imaging of the abdominal wall and the extent of the muscle separation. There are other considerations including functional assessment. Your physician may assess the functional impact of the diastasis recti such as core strength, posture, and any associated symptoms like back pain or pelvic floor issues. If you suspect you have diastasis recti, it's important to consult a physician for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate management, which may include physical therapy, exercises, or other surgical interventions. At Surgical Oasis Institute, we have expertise in all available surgical techniques to repair the diastasis recti, and a comprehensive examination and surgical discussion would be provided prior to the surgery to customize the best surgical option for each patient. For surgical consultation, please contact my office at 949-646-8444. Thank you.